Cute little ladybug standing there on a rug. See a leaf, munch, munch. See a stick, crunch, crunch. Quiet little mouse, sneaking in the house. He makes a little squeak, he takes a little peek. Spotted brown calf has a big laugh, chewing on some hay. What do you say? A big green dino has horns like a rhino. He has a big roar. He can't fit through the door. A flock of fluffy sheep lay their heads to sleep. Off they drift into their dreams. Nice and cozy, all is well, it seems.